Well, good morning everyone. Trust you're well, keeping safe. Had a bit more rain. And as always, you can Google the rains list or look up the rains list on YouTube. It's disclosed in the rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims. Human hunting parties, human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, harvesting adrenochrome. So certainly no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist issue, that one's got 23 on it. No mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, Jekyll and Hyde. Number 21 or number 23, serial killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham, Dismace and Cancel. White Lodge, local mafia, the local mob, that one had fun on it. Some people do like to play games, have their fun, that one had lie on it. There's a big monster lie. See if they can set you up to get you done in or boxed up, locked up, throw away the key. And all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, and certainly not mine. There was a car went into a house down here the other day, so you can certainly take a very big hit. Simon Bailey don't cry, and his blonde host plainclothes lover. Not true detective, Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapos, the local Nazis, Discalton Road assassins. Like Pink says, when you're surrounded by bigwig know-alls, knobs, dickheads, hags, liars and evil clowns, certainly disappear before they come for me. Sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear, follow your golden compass. Can see this woodyard, one big black axe hatchet job, saw trap. But that's the name of the game in this. Again, set you up as a red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe, Steve Wright, Wayne Cousins, Brady Huntley, Fred West, Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B. To get you done in or boxed up, locked up, throw away the key. But it's all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, certainly not mine. Neil and 23 on that one, and a Skoda. And that's all they really do have is Sip Zero Silch Nil. Whole lot of nothing, one big monster con, one big monster bluff, Porky Pie, serial killer lie. So no Black Panther. Sandringham serial killer here, Clockwork Orange, Norwich train station. Mountain bike rapist, Child 44, Black Wizard terrorist, a shooter. Rich Boys Loft Party, Human Hunting Pie. Again there, High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder. Certainly not mine. No number 7, John Doe of Dis here. Cruise on my frame fixed tail in Dis Norwich Safe World. Norfolk coast, Derbyshire in the Lake District. All looking to bag, frame fixed black cat. Again hot fuss.